Hey, what's up guys? It's Asher. It's been a minute since I think I last uploaded my video on my 240, and today's video is going to be about my 240 and replacing my mirrors that I just recently purchased. I've been looking for these for a long time, so really excited the way my car is gonna look, how it's gonna change, getting rid of that black OEM mirrors, and yeah, if you guys want to get to know more about it, keep on watching. Don't worry, I'm not gonna be driving after this, so I'm just gonna be replacing my mirrors and that's it. Alright, so I'm back, and the ganador mirrors are held with 3 bolts, as well as the S13 stock mirrors as well. And the way it's gonna come off is you will essentially take off the bolt right here. There's a bolt right here, and then you'll take that off, and then the cover, the door panel will kind of be in the free. that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and in the next video I'm going to fix some imperfection on this car. So okay. Oh my god, I'm getting wet. Okay, I'm gonna go guys, shoot.